Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how the updates to the menu and identity settings have made the platform more organized. Upon opening the menu, the first visible change is in the naming conventions. Where it previously said Individual Knowledge Base, we now have just Knowledge Base, and the former Settings section has been renamed to Identity. By clicking on Identity, you will find everything that defines your worker, such as name, language, voice settings, and personality. An important new feature is the Polishing tab, which was added to help with refinement and the removal of unnecessary elements. Additionally, to optimize screen space, we have removed the bottom bar and fixed the Save button at the top of the page. Finally, in the upper section, you will now find the Delete Worker button, which was previously in a different position. These improvements are designed to make your workflow much more agile and clean, ensuring you have the right tools always at hand. I hope this summary helps you make better use of Darwin's resources. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you next time.